So today guys I'm going to be showing you how to make a like a chicken farm. It's very cool and easy to make. So it's in this world that I just made for you today. Yeah. So I'm going to be showing you it but I'm not going to build it. So this is the chicken farm. Basically, there's a small chicken running around the house while there's a chicken stuck in the window. So this is how it should look inside. There should be like chickens like that, and they should drop eggs, and the hoppers down there will connect to these chests on both sides and will collect eggs for you, as you can see there. This build is actually pretty cool because you can literally make a long hallway full of chickens, and you will get lots of eggs in seconds. So this is basically like a small hut, and it's very cool to there's also a chimney up here. You can add cobwebs if you want any like effects. As you can see, you can add cobwebs. They look like smoke. You just have to make a 6 by 8 spruce planks base of the build. So just build, wait, how many blocks is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks up with spruce planks, and then use these brick stairs to make them so it looks like the roof. This is actually quite cool, and I just trapped a chicken in here, so yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you want to collect many eggs, you can literally just spawn more chickens, and they'll just crowd in one block gaps, and then they'll just spam make eggs. There'll be more and more eggs, but you have to wait for a bit. So this is only a small version. You can make it as long as you want, so long that you can get like 100 in a second. I don't know how many you want to do, but this is actually quite cool. And you can let them out too. No, why let them out? Get it back in. Get back in. Get back in, you. I'm going to kill you. R.I.P. But oh, you want to be with your friend? How's that your friend? Rest in peace as we pray. So now I'm just going to spawn another chicken in. It's easy to do in creative, and you don't need to lure any chickens in. You can just use a spawn egg and spawn chickens in. This is pretty cool, and you can also add some decorations like flower pots and flowers, whatever color you want. I'm choosing blue because it's one of my favorite colors. And you just make like a table desk and do this. This looks nice. You can also make a window on the back like this. And now we have even more eggs. Why is my game lagging so much? I don't know why. So this is the end of today's video, and I hope you enjoyed and like how you trap chickens and get their eggs too. That chicken down there is kind of trying to get to the parents, but not now. So I'm just going to save and quit. so laggy. I don't know why. So as you can see, that's the house there. I'm gonna go out.